Hi there. Did you know about email management? Email management is the process of organizing, storing, and accessing email message. It includes tasks such as creating, sending, receiving, replying to, deleting, and searching for email messages. Email management is important for keeping email messages organized and easy to find, and for preventing data loss. Main menu, compose, inbox, starred, snoozed, important, chat, sent, scheduled, drafts, all mail, spam, trash. And also we have categories. Under categories have a less, manage labels, create new label. Under labels, we have an email send from people or company or advertisement that we need to save, organize to do or arrange things, plans, ideas, and other deleted or trash cause we didn't need it, and important mail or message that we need to save it in our Gmail account. Create new label and then label color that we want to use. Using Nest label under we create new label MVAO2. Under the MVAO1 check the nest label and then click create. After creating labels, go to color labels and choose color for labels that created. Tools we using in Gmail account. We have primary, promotions, social, updates, select to delete or move message all or selected, refresh, more, marks all read. And also we have show search options, support, settings Google Apps. To change a color on a starred and change sign or shape, go to settings and then click see all settings. It will expose all the setting in our Gmail account. Then go to star settings, choose an option 1 star for stars all stars you want to use it check and save change. Then it's ready to use the stars in our email. How to set a vacation mode when we are out of town. Go to Settings and see All Settings will expose all setting, and then go to Vacation Responder Mode, and then check Mode Save Changes, and will appear in front of our Gmail. Creating an email signature, we use some of HubSpot email signature template generator, and how to settings using HubSpot. Thank you for watching my tutorials video.